Damascus steel is legendary steel recognized for its strict water design and exceptional hardness. Back in the day, swords manufactured from Damascus steel stood out among many because they were beautiful, tough, maintained a sharp edge, and were very flexible. Damascus blade steel was superior and durable compared to weapons made from iron or carbon. Swords made from Damascus steel are still available, proving Damascus steel quality. Damascus steel, in essence, is a combination of two sheets of steel or more, each with different properties layered and forged together to produce one single steel with an aesthetically pleasing pattern. Is Damascus steel still the best in the market? Modern high-carbon steel beats the quality of Damascus steel. However, the original Damascus steel remains the legendary steel of its day. What's more, the secret to manufacturing the original Damascus steel, wood steel, was lost along the way. Although modern Damascus steel is still of high quality, it is not the same as the original steel called wood steel. Cast Damascus steel is the original Damascus steel, also known as wood steel. It was made in India around 200 years ago. The skills and art of making the original steel were lost in the 1700s, declining its production. A lot of research has been put in place to replicate the cast wood steel. Still, unfortunately, no one has been able to replicate the original steel. The original Damascus technique has very little to no information on how to replicate it. Pattern welded steel is modern-day Damascus steel. The steel is manufactured by layering two types of steel together and hammering them at high temperatures to forge them together. This process gives the steel a watery pattern, making it look like the original Damascus steel. However, the pattern is not what makes it Damascus steel, but the composition and the manufacturing process. Suppose you are on the market to buy Damascus steel today. In that case, you are presented with two options: the pattern welded above or a cheaper option where the metal has been surface attached to attain the patterns. If all you want is the patterns, the later option is the best for you, but the patterns will fade away with usage. There are a variety of Damascus knives for a range of uses ranging from kitchen to hunting knives. The materials put together to make Damascus knives depend on the type of knife and the intended use. It is essential to follow the manufacturer's guidelines on maintaining Damascus steel. Ensure to wash and dry the knives immediately after use. If your blades are manufactured from carbon Damascus steel, they are susceptible to rust and corrosion, requiring more care. Ensure to maintain the edge with the right sharpening tools. Wet stones do a great job. Also, oiling the blades often keeps their shine and patterns. If you do not have time for regular care and maintenance, invest in Damascus blades formulated from stainless steel. Thanks for watching. Until next time.